trying to interrogate you on social media. So, why is how we organize ourselves the main theme of this unit?
It is that because we are organising ourselves with social matters and beginning to learn more about Facebook or Twitter.
Okay, nice. The next question is, how does social media affect how we access, process, and share information?
Well, we can find information quicker than before, and we can also edit it quicker and share it much, much quicker.
What was the passion that you shared on your blog? How did you connect with others? How do you think social media helps people to connect with others of similar interests?
Well, I used all different sources, like email, blogs, social media sites, and many, many more.
How does social media affect people's involvement in politics, or how does social media affect consumers?
It affects them when they are making posts about their parties, or the consumers striking at the prices products.
Thank you for answering the questions I told you.
Hope you enjoy.